So you have the Luna controller here from Amazon, and the battery leak inside, and the tab retaining the battery broke. So I'm gonna try to first open it and clean everything that I see, and I'm gonna try to resolder that pin too. So let's go. So at first, I already pried it out. The hard part is to flex something in between here. So I try with guitar pick. I try with like phone opener thing. But they're all broke down mine, so I cannot go really much under. The best thing, it's the nail. So you put the nail under it like here. And you're gonna feel somewhere around the hole here. And now you can put your nail under it, you flex it close to the hole, and when it's flexed up, you put the guitar pick or something in between. It's better always have plastic than metal. Metal always leaves some dent, so I pull it with my nail again. So I just open it a bit and I remove the tab with my nail. So I'm gonna continue with another pick that's a bit wider. And it's just to slide the guitar pick around, and yeah, just on the side here. See, schluck. Let's go. It's hard, but I think they're good pin. They're strong. You're not gonna break the tab or something. Tick 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 tick. It's kind of, yeah, it's pretty under. Click click click. Let's go. Yeah, like that. Oh, one more, just one more. All right, yeah. Okay, now don't break the cover, and here we go. Beautiful. See all those spin here? None crack. So yeah, those, maybe this one a bit. No. So yeah, you begin by here. You see there's larger space close to the, so better flexing maneuver that you can do here, whatever. And those are the screw. You can see it's some torque screw, whatever, Phillips, a certain size. Oh, there's some stuff inside. Oh yeah, some hand debris, I'm gonna say. Toot, yeah, maybe. Take some beautiful Windex, and I'm gonna just do the crack here to remove the hand debris, sweat, chocolate, all those kind of stuff. Yeah, just the skin too, skin of the hands. Super hot here, a lot of sweat. That will do for the first time, first pass. And the top two, here we go. Okay. Some. Okay, let's go. So now I'm gonna unscrew. There's a couple of screws here and there, you see. Bum. Just gonna begin to loose them up. It's done. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with my little friend here. There we go. Beautiful. It's all out. Are they all out? Yeah. Beautiful. Here. Next, another fun part. So it's to go inside that cover here, pop the top off. Super fun again. So out of camera again, I maneuver it to try to find a good point to enter. Then I like that point here in the corner. So I tried with my finger everywhere, my nails. No. So after that, I went with where's the metal tools? With this one here. And with the top here, it's metal, but I need something hard, strong. So here in the corner, I press really in the corner, and I pull up. So I go in, all large, but I put more pressure on top here. So here, like this. See, it's inside now. I'm in. So from there, I'm not sure what I'm gonna take my metal here. I'm gonna take a plastic pick here. If I have good tools like that, I can put it in too. Okay, let's go. There's a small lid, you can see. Okay. Click, clack. No? Happened. Another pick. The pin is here. I see the retainer is here. It's open here. I'm gonna keep the pick just so it don't click back. Here it's fucked. Oh my god. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go large. I'm gonna put more pressure on the corner with the tip. Go in like this. Go in. Pressure on the corner. Is it going in? No. Oof. I need to hit the tab. What's the tab? No? Here? Oh, that was a tab. Yeah. You can see it open. So around here, you put the tool, you push, and the U tab's gonna pull out. So now, maybe I can just pry. No. So here, I'm gonna take another guitar pick so it don't close back. Can I just take a guitar pick and slide it? Maybe. If I just go in between the tab, this is the tab here. Push the tab. No. Rah. Metal. In. I don't know inside. I don't want to hit the electronic part or something. Break the inside component. So I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna hit it there. So here, what happened? Click. Oh, it clicked. I like it. So guitar pick. Back. No. Here. But guitar pick it's in. Okay, the guitar pick is in. This the long side. Just put it in. Put click. No. Click. Something like that. Oh god. Tung. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. I'm gonna try with this one. Can I pry like this? Oh, scratch. Plastic. Come on. Yes. Alright, another. Prying up a bit with my finger. Maybe that's not good. Wow. My god, let's go. So I'm sliding my pick, I'm prying up, and I'm trying to make sure I don't have any contact with the circuit board inside or some good part. Oops. Slide it a bit here again. It's hard to go in. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah! You sit in the tip corner, but my god. Let's cough out all the thing. Damn. Pry up a bit. The tabs are there, so I have to push down. This. There you go. The tab just on the tips, that's the thing. I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Pry up, ow, my finger. Put it there, no, here we go. Like this. Now, go, click, click the flick. Yeah. Oh, I close it on top. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes, no. Oh, yeah, no. Pretty close to have one side. Just one side. Again, I'm going to put the guitar pick somewhere. Click, 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 click. No. Go in here. I'll take it. The tab is probably here somewhere. Large side. Click. Click. No. Tab. This one is pretty hard, I have to say. This is going out here. Yeah. No. Patience, don't break nothing. Go smooth, easy. I just rip everything apart. Just rip everything apart. This one is done. I can put the pick here somewhere. Nice, not nice. Here, here, yeah. No, here. Okay. Here we go again. Which side? I don't know. Here. If I push. No, it's more over there, I said. Yep, click. Put anything here in this slot. Whew. Let's go.